Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another interesting topic, and that is how to connect your Meta accounts with Google Analytics 4. As you know, Google Analytics 4 is an analytics tool which will give us all the data which are coming to our website, whether it's a organic audience, it's a Google paid audience, or in the same way it will also give us the data for the Meta ads audience as well, like people who have interacted with our ads through Meta ads campaign. So we can get that data in our GA4 account with the help of this connectivity. So basically in today's video I will let you know how you can connect it, or how you can see all these data in a single place, where you can compare all the data, like platform data, whether Google is doing good, whether Meta paid ads going good, or organic is doing good. So everything will be measured in the same place in GA4 with the help of this connectivity. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. As first of all, you just need to open your GA4 account, as I have already opened it, and you just need to go to the homepage of your GA4 account, and also make sure your Meta ads account is also logged on the same browser, so that when we will connect the same, so it will not give us any difficulties. So make sure your analytics and Meta accounts will be open in the same Google Chrome account. Okay, as I have already opened both of the account on the same Google Chrome. So now I will go to the admin section, and once I click on it, we have different options available in the data collection and modification section. So make sure you need to go to the data collection and modification option, and here you just need to click on the data import option. Once you click on it, it will ask you to create a data source. As you can see, there is a create data source button available. You just need to click on that, and once you click on that, it will ask you for the source's name. As you want to import your Meta, so you can name it Facebook as well, and also if you want to name it anything else, you can do it. As I want to import the metadata, so I will use it as a Facebook. Okay, after that you need to choose the option campaign data option need to be choose. There is other options as well, but if you want to get the campaigns data of the Meta Meta ads which you are running in the Meta ads account, you just need to use this option. And after that, upload data for import. So it will ask for from which particular area you want to import that data. So if you have a manual CVC upload, you can use, but we need to import the data from Meta. So I will use the Meta beta option. I will use it here, and as you can see now, the Meta option has been selected. Now it will give us the option to go to the next page, and you just need to click on the connect button. And once you click on it, you can see there will be connectivity option which we'll get from the campaigns. As you need to connect it and click on the next button. Here you just need to name your business center account as the center, and your ad account is already connected. You need to name Facebook source as Facebook and Instagram source as IG, and after that your medium will be paid ads, and then you just need to click on the next button. As you can see now, our Facebook campaign, like Facebook campaign data and Facebook, is integrated with the Google Analytics 4 successfully. Now we can easily import all the data by just clicking on import now button, and after that you will see all the data of your ad campaigns here in the conversion performance section of the analytics account. And you can also match the data as well. As you can see, it is the same amount which we have spent on Meta as well, and here you can see we can get all the data here. And now you can easily differentiate, like cross network is working good, organic is working good. If you are running some paid Google ad campaign, that is working. So all the data will be measured here, and with the help of that you can easily see like which thing need to be focused on, whether it's Meta or Google, which is performing good, which is not, and you can get all the data in a single space and easily optimize your campaigns and create a new strategy for your business. So I think now you can also link your Facebook account, Meta account with the GA4 and get all the data in a one space. So if you have any query and concern regarding that, you can definitely ask me a question about YouTube video. And if you want to connect with me, you can directly contact me with the numbers flashing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.